Hey everybody, work life, dump life. Frito Pie again. Sup, bag? Sup? Good morning, Jags, Megan, Momo, Destiny, Lorenzo, Benjamin, Ducky Coulter, Hawks, uh, JoJo, Christy. Who else? There's a lot of people. But good morning, everybody. And let's see what we got today, Megan. Don't worry, it's not going to be a disappointment. Nothing there. Don't worry, don't worry. It's a Daewoo fridge. Hey, it's kind of clean inside, but I'll bet it doesn't work. It's missing a leg, or it's just adjusted out. You never know if it works. 134A, da 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 da. Made in China, 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 China. You know, I saved the TikTok, China. It's the most fabulous, luxurious Daewoo ever, and it's made in China. Anyway, everybody, I'm working today. It's actually my day off, but I'm working anyway. So yeah. But I asked to switch days for my day off. I'm going to be off Thursday, so I won't have a video on Thursday. But anyway, it's supposed to be another gorgeous day out. It's a very cool morning today. So yeah, everyone stay safe, stay happy, and I will see y'all later.